You will need one of these wooden cats from Dollar Tree. We are going to use orange paint and paint this cat orange. You will also need a round stick. This stick came from the 99-cent store when they were closing down. The stick is from a plunger, but you can also find a plunger at Dollar Tree. We are going to be painting the stick black. You will need a round wooden circle. This one here came from Walmart during their Christmas clearance when their items were at 90% off. You can also find a wooden circle at Dollar Tree for this DIY. We're going to be using white chalk paint to paint this wooden circle. You probably will need to paint the circle over a couple of times to cover up the letterings. Here we have the painted black stick along with wire cutters, and a hula straw skirt. You guessed it, we are making a witch's broom. You want to measure how long you want the hula skirt to be for the stick. So take the skirt and place it at the end of the stick and determine how long you want the skirt to be. When you find the right amount, grab a skirt and use the wire to tie the skirt. When the skirt is tied, you are going to cut part of the skirt off and leave the right amount for the stick. You are going to untie the skirt and then tie the skirt to the end of the stick to create the witch's broom. When the paint is dried on the wooden circle, it's time to paint it metallic red. The wooden circle will become a blood moon. You will need to paint the blood moon twice in order to get a good metallic red color. You will need a drill and a screw for this part of the DIY. Grab your painted stick and drill a hole in the middle. This is where the wooden cat will be placed. Screw the screw into the hole, and when the screw is halfway out, grab your cat and hold it tight so the rest of the screw goes into the wooden cat. Flip over your broom and cat so we can screw the blood moon onto the broom. You will need 2 screws to screw the blood moon onto the witch's broom. The blood moon will go behind the wooden cat. I decided to add 2 pumpkins that are going towards the end of the witch's broom. In order for the pumpkins to sit right, you will have to cut out some of the pumpkin to create an opening so part of the blood moon goes into the pumpkin. You will then glue both of the pumpkins onto the witch's broom. This part of the video you can add whatever items you would like to the broom. I am adding 2 pumpkins. I am also adding an eyeball and a small plastic pumpkin. I am going to be gluing this witch's hat to the cat's head. There's also a small glitter pumpkin that was added to the cat's paw. Your cat on the broom is now completed.